Hi everyone, this is Dawn. This is take two because the phone just rang and there was a message going on. So take two of this live for EFT tapping for unexplained pain or discomfort. So sometimes, especially as we get older and things just happen in life, we may have things that are unexplained, pain or discomfort in our body. And I am always a big proponent of sharing what's going on with myself. So I've had this unexplained pain or discomfort, this sharp shooting pain in my groin area for about 6 months. And I've gone to 2 doctors, and so far it's, they're like, I'm not sure what's going on. And I did see my chiropractor this morning, and he think it actually might be not a torn, but like a tendon that has been strained. So anyway, there's no obvious reason for it to be hurting. And, that can be scary when you have unexplained or undiagnosed pain or discomfort in your body. So I just wanted to come on real quick and do a little tapping for that because, whatever it is, it's going to be what it is. But, what I can control and what you can control is your emotions and the worry around this unexplained pain or discomfort. So I'm just going to go ahead and dive into the tapping. And if you are watching and you would like to tap along, I'd be happy for you to do that. And if there's an area in your body that you do have discomfort, feel free on your own to specify what body part is hurting for you. And we can go from there. And by tapping along, of course, you always just agree to take responsibility for your own wellness. And, this is just for educational purposes. And so that's it. So we're going to do the setup statement on the karate chop point. So 3 times, even though I have this discomfort in my body, and you can name the body part, I accept how I feel, and I deeply and completely honor and accept myself. Even though I'm a little freaked out because I have this unexplained pain or discomfort in my body, and for me, my groin area. And it's really frustrating because the doctors just don't know what it is yet. And I'm sure it's all going to be fine, but it's a little scary. I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I have this pain in my body, this discomfort, and, my mind just sometimes automatically goes to the worst case scenario. I accept how I feel. I forgive my body, and I deeply and completely honor and accept myself. Inside of the eyebrow, a little freaked out. Side of the eye, because there's pain and discomfort in my body. Under the eye, and it got me worried. Under the nose, and my mind automatically goes to the worst case scenario. Chin point, this pain or discomfort in my body. Collarbone, it's freaking me out a little bit. Under the arm, and the doctors don't know what it is yet. Wrist points, this pain and discomfort in my body. Top of the head, it's freaking me out a little bit. Inside the eyebrow, but I'm not going to worry about it. Side of the eye, I choose to just focus in the present moment. Under the eye, and trust that it's going to be okay. Under the nose, this discomfort in my body. Chin point, worrying about the discomfort in my body. Collarbone, I want to let that worry go. Under the arm, because it doesn't help anything. Wrist points to worry about it. Top of the head, so I choose to let that worry go. Inside of the eyebrow, and I choose instead just to be in the present moment. Side of the eye, to take one thing at a time. Under the eye, and trust that it's going to be okay. Under the nose, this discomfort in my body. Chin point, whatever is blocking me from releasing this discomfort, I allow that to release. Collarbone, this discomfort in my body. Under the arm, I choose to let it go. Wrist points, I choose to release it. Top of the head, or whatever's the root cause of it, I choose to let it go. Inside the eyebrow, this discomfort in my body. Side of the eye, I choose to let it go. Under the eye, I give myself permission to let it go. Under the nose, and I give my body permission to let it go. Chin point, whatever it is. Collarbone, I choose to release this negative energy. Under the arm, whatever it may be, wherever it's from. Wrist points, I choose to let it go. Top of the head, I give myself and my body permission to let it go. Inside the eyebrow, and I choose not to worry about it. Side of the eye, and focus in the present moment. Under the eye, and focus on gratitude. Under the nose, and have a positive mindset. Chin point, this discomfort in my body. Collarbone, I choose to believe that it's going to work out. Under the arm, and release the discomfort in my body. Wrist points, I choose to have a positive mind frame. Top of the head, and love myself and my body no matter what. Okay, take a deep breath. And sometimes it's good just to do rounds of 3s. I just have a limited amount of time today, so I just wanted to demonstrate how, so you can start with the positives, and then as you come down a few points in your intensity level, you can start bringing in the I want and I choose statements. So I hope that was helpful for you guys, and should you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My website is dawnhypnotherapy.com, or feel free to comment in the section below or private message me. And I hope this was helpful, and I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of the day. Okay, bye for now.